Check out this 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Why worry about high mileage? Choosing a ride with lower mileage is the right choice for your busy life. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a reliable 6-cylinder engine driven by an automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. Pamper yourself with memory settings. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with an MP3 player, a satellite radio. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.